AMC Entertainment Holdings, the colossal cinema chain, finds itself once more in the bright, often unforgiving spotlight of the financial markets. It's a name that evokes images of blockbuster films, buttery popcorn, and, for a growing number of everyday investors, the thrilling, sometimes terrifying roller coaster of stock market speculation. The real buzz often centers on the potential for another short squeeze, a term almost synonymous with AMC's recent stock market narrative. The company's share price has become a closely watched drama, often exhibiting the kind of volatility usually reserved for Hollywood action sequences. AMC has become a symbol of a new era of retail investing where individuals, often coordinating through online forums, can exert a surprising amount of influence on market dynamics. It's a story of David versus Goliath, of ordinary people taking on established financial institutions. But beneath the narrative, there are complex market mechanics at play, forces that can lead to sudden and dramatic price swings. It's a wild ride, and it seems the curtain is far from closing on this particular show. So what exactly is this short squeeze that gets everyone so excited or perhaps so worried? Imagine a game of musical chairs but with stocks and a lot more money at stake. Some investors, often large institutional players like hedge funds, bet that a company's stock price will go down by short selling. They borrow shares, sell them, and hope to buy them back at a lower price. But if the price rises, they face potentially unlimited losses. They might be forced to buy back shares, creating more demand and pushing the price higher. This feedback loop of rising prices and forced buying defines a short squeeze. It's a stampede, and not everyone makes it out unscathed. AMC Entertainment is no stranger to the dramatic twists and turns of a short squeeze. The company's stock became a household name not just for its cinemas, but for its starring role in the meme stock phenomenon of early 2021. This period saw an unprecedented surge in its share price, driven largely by a passionate army of retail investors who congregated on social media platforms like Reddit. They weren't just buying shares, they were often explicitly aiming to trigger a short squeeze against hedge funds that had heavily shorted the stock. The resulting price action was spectacular and made headlines globally. That historical context has created a lasting legacy and a certain expectation around AMC stock. Every subsequent flicker of upward momentum is scrutinized for signs that history might repeat itself. The apes, as many of AMC's retail investors call themselves, remain a significant and vocal community. Their collective sentiment and buying power have, at times, proven to be a formidable force. This makes AMC a perennial candidate for speculative trading. Looking at more recent information, AMC was still considered to have a high short interest, a key ingredient for potential squeezes. The company itself disclosed the potential for a short squeeze as a business risk. This isn't just an external observation, it's an internal recognition of the unusual market dynamics surrounding its shares. Such conditions can indeed compel short sellers to repurchase shares at inflated prices. The narrative is further fueled by ongoing market activity. For instance, the news on May 27, 2025, about AMC setting Memorial Day holiday weekend records, and its stock surging amid market buzz. However, it's vital to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. While the ingredients for a squeeze might appear to be present, there's no guarantee one will occur. The market is a complex, often unpredictable, arena. Investing in stocks like AMC hoping for a short squeeze is like navigating a neon jungle, dazzling but risky. The extreme volatility offers rapid gains but also rapid losses. Share prices can soar and plummet, often detached from the company's actual value. Timing the market is incredibly difficult. Approach such investments with extreme caution. Do your own research, or is critical. Look beyond social media hype and understand the company's fundamentals. This essay is for informational purposes only, not financial advice. Consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.